Hi there, it's Matco Bill, and today I'm going to talk to you about the new easy sold soldering tool from Matco. It is an exclusive to us, and it is available in the US and Canada for under the $90 price point. What it is a soldering tool that has a built-in coil of solder that is replaceable and is controlled with your thumb. Also has spring-loaded holders that'll hold the wire in place for you. This is great for under the dash. This way, if you're on your back or whatever and you need to hold the wires tight, you can do that without having to now hold the solder or the torch in your mouth. So then I'm going to take our Matco soldering torch. We'll get this ignited. And I added the tip here for doing soldering, but you can also use the open flame if you have the room without catching fire. So once it's in there, you get your wiring where you need it to be, and then you will apply the solder as needed. And then we'll get the torch a little warm here. So once it's warm, you just feed your solder, feed it on, and there you go. It's that easy. Nice tight solder. And again, it's the Matco Easy Sold. Easy, S-O-L-D is the part number, available in the US and Canada for less than $90, and it is a Matco exclusive and made in the USA. Contact your local Matco dealer for more information. Thank you.